a murky start to our second day of the long weekend. We've got a gimble that we've been sent. I really don't know what this is going to be like because we can't see the back screen, so we don't know how it's recording, but hello, I'm going to hang out the window. There's not much of a view, to be honest. We're just coming to check out the Eskdale Railway, the Lil Ratty, as it's called.
Not going out under the train.
Oh, that's what you do, it's raining.
That's the noise you don't like, isn't it?
Yeah. Time for a coffee, we think. Well, we've just pulled up because for tea tonight we're having lamb, and we thought we'd just have a look at this woodland, and there's some wild garlic. The bluebells are out, which are nice, but I learnt something yesterday off my biology teacher here.
It's going to be a one-pot meal. We're going to put some potatoes. They have been cooked, so we're just going to warm those up and some peas.
And continuing with our botany lesson from Campervan Tales, after the bluebell story and picking wild garlic to cook with our tea, we now have a lesson on dandelions. Over to our dandelion correspondent, Keith Ashworth.